He's actually the real flying jet. He was doing my stunts in the film. He was my double. But yeah, we are here to launch Shilpa Ma'am's website, and I think it's fantastic, especially because it's the digital age. You know, everything is on the internet nowadays. So we have people just ordering food, groceries, their everyday, day-to-day things online, and this is like your one-stop shop for healthy lifestyle and fitness. I don't use fitness, I'm going to say lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, because it's more holistic, like we've been discussing. That being said, you know, you can ask a myriad questions such as related to fitness or healthy lifestyle, such as, you know, what are the foods we can consume to lose weight? You know, healthy, natural, fat-burning foods. What can I eat before a workout? What can I eat or drink after a workout? How do I work out on my own, you know? So this website can offer all these solutions. I mean, we've got experts answering all these questions for you. So, you know, guys, I think it's time to live a happy, fit, new lifestyle with the queen of fitness herself, Shilpa Shetty. Thank you.
Very kind of you. I'd like to call my mom on stage now to launch. I really think in life nothing is possible to achieve without the blessings of our parents.
Definitely. Yeah.
And we'll come on the side, so I'd like to.
Background का light.
So I will be cooking personally to show people that if I can do it, you can do it. It's very, very simple to cook, and I think the USP of all the recipes that I will be doing on my channel are quick, because I hate getting into the kitchen where it's long drawn out and my hair is going to frizz. So for all those women out there, especially all those working women who feel that, you know, it's very hard to maintain a lifestyle or to maintain their husband's lifestyle with healthy cooking, I'm going to prove them all wrong.
You should definitely ask that question to Raj also. These 5-minute dishes, clearly butter chicken you'll not find there. So
we have jeera chicken, which is made in ghee.
So I have a question to ask the both of you. Like, I'm gonna just tell you a couple of dishes. I wanna actually know if you. When was the last time you tasted this? Eating though is out of the question. Like pizzas.
Yesterday. I know I shouldn't be saying this right now on this platform, but yes, I do. Yesterday was my cheat day.
Oh, so you also have
So, yeah.
See, we all have a cheat day.
Okay.
That's a secret.
This butter chicken, like a chicken dish with gravy or something.
I have ghee chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Ghee is good for you
Yeah.
guys. I had ghee even today. I
Rice.
have ghee every day. Every day.
तो ये
Rice I
आपके
eat
लिए
every day.
ये चावल और घी कहीं और से बन के आता है? क्योंकि हमारे ऊपर वो असर क्यों नहीं होता है फिर?
चावल कितना खा रहे हो वो मुझे पता नहीं, और कितनी बार आप चू भी कर रहे हो वो भी नहीं मुझे पता. हाँ?
I should take a back seat.
और कितने बजे आप खाना बंद करते हो ये भी बताइए. ये मुझे लगता है 7 बजे के बाद कुछ खाता नहीं होएगा, है ना?
I think, yeah, absolutely. I think after 6-7 p.m. I usually I cut back on my calories. Usually carbohydrates I don't consume.
Some people have saved puri in their eyes at 6 o'clock.
But yeah, you're absolutely right, man.
See, I just think that with what Tiger is saying and what I'm saying, I just think that anyone you think, if that person looks the way he looks or she looks, and if you think it's happening just like that, that's not possible, my friend, because everything needs a bit of work. It's not possible for you journalists to be writing a great article without working on it, right? So if that takes work, and this is actually far more easier to do, no, Tiger? If you just believe that that is the lifestyle you want to make, and with that, like he very rightly said, the word diet is something that is very demoralizing for people. The minute you say diet, you think, "Arey, phika khana, isme tel nahi hoga, isme taste nahi hoga." So I really want to debunk those myths. I really, through this channel, I really hope that we're able to prove to people that it is really easy to get yourselves into a routine. So we're going to start with the basics through this channel, and then obviously in 6 months I will be throwing challenges. I will be making or rather inspiring people enough to be able to join the challenge and lose literally 5 kilos in maybe 21 days. So I aspire to do that, and there are a lot of people out there who need the right information, who need the help to be able to do that. So I really hope, thank you